Hey, girl, hey. So stupid. Anyway, welcome to OLOPRV. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're as confused as we are on what we're going to build, then we're really going to confuse you now. So we decided to go back to the box truck that I don't even know.
Bought in November.
We decided to get back to the box truck that we bought in November.
Yep.
And why, Curtis? After all said and done, why we did the video about size matters and...
Well, reality is size doesn't matter. It's the size of your pocketbook matters. So we had this box truck, and I really thought it would sell fast. It's a nice box truck, but you know, everybody says, "Oh, the market's going crazy." I couldn't even get my money back, and I thought I got a really good deal. So we're fixing it up.
Yep, we didn't want to waste our money and just say, well, we take another loss. No, we're not going to do that.
And we realized how long it was going to take to build the other one. And we're like, you know, this one we can probably get done in 60 days and be on the road maybe even 45 days or less.
And we're really going to do the East Coast anyway, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to stay in cities and different things. So to us, this is a no-brainer just to go ahead and do this build. And while we're doing this build and we go out and travel, we can still be, every time we come home, we can be working on the other truck. Yeah, and do it slower instead of having to do everything. Because we had to weld everything from the frames. And
I really want to find something that we can put on there and remodel. But we'll see. And if 6 months we're done, or, you know, come winter time, we're back home, we still haven't found anything. We've got a big old barn here. We'll just build our own box.
Yep. And so that's where we were at. And we didn't want to take another loss. That's the main thing. It's like we can't take any more losses.
No.
So we have already started on the gutting and stuff. So I'll get y'all caught up to what we have done already on this video.
Yeah.
And we'll probably have some of the foam boards cut and ready to go in place.
Thank you for following along with us through our ups and downs and
confusion on what we want to do. Because we don't know what we want to do we? And whatever he wants to do is really is what's going to happen. Huh?
That's not true.
Well, if you're not happy,
get on the road.
If you're not happy, I'm not happy.
That's right.
Vice versa.
And neither one of us are happy about waiting to go.
If I'm not happy, then he definitely ain't happy. Nobody happy.
We didn't want to wait till next year to get on the road, and you know, we'll fix this up, and who knows, somebody might fall in love with it, and you know, hopefully they fall in love with it around September, October, about the time we need to come home, and you know, we
already have the other one halfway
have the
going.
Other one ready.
What you doing, Curtis?
Washing the boxing.
And we're washing it so we can get all the grease off the walls and stuff.
Dust and grease.
And we're gonna put, what else? What is that? Kills mat? Kills mat.
Not all over, just in parts.
Yep. So it keeps the vibrations to the minimum on the sides.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited. I got my new DeWalt. My new DeWalt tools. I'm so excited. Am I bougie or what?
Me naked.
After. You want your tap screws in here?
Yeah, you can leave it there.
Oh, I forgot mine.
So, tap on your side.
Nice. That's crazy. It does make a big difference.
Yes. Even for the whole thing, you know, it just
You can
it's
see it a little bit.
it's accumulative. Now this whole wheel well, I'm doing the whole wheel well.
Yeah, right. Day 2 and Curtis is killing it. Well, I'm not doing too bad, Curtis, right?
Nope, doing good.
Damn ready, you know what
Except for that.
Okay, my bad. I went too far. But anyway, much love to y'all and thank you for
Yes.
following our journey. And don't forget to
Like
share,
or subscribe.
subscribe. Let's do that
Hit
again.
that bell notification.
Don't
Ready.
forget to like,
Subscribe.
share,
And hit that bell notification.
bing.
Bing.